We have just under 3 weeks till Halloween. I went to a toy store and I bought claw machine toys there. Only because my birthday was yesterday, I think, if you're watching this today. So I'm gonna play the duck claw. That's only gonna end the vending. I'm actually not getting food this time. I don't have enough money for it. Where's the entrance? I haven't come this way in a while.
Did you know some of your detergent's fragrance disappears in the dryer? That's why Close made. Well, Downy in-wash scent boosters survive the washer and dryer for freshness that lasts 6 times longer than detergent alone. Just add Downy in-wash scent boosters into your washing machine. Squeeze and snip to find your perfect scent and enjoy freshness that lasts 6 times longer with Downy in-wash scent boosters. Right now, get $50 when you bundle Tide and Downy.
When you're a motorized bicycle,
God, it's stuck.
You'll never win a race. They say motorcycles are one thing, but you can't make cars. Alright, you're a car company, but you won't win Formula One in a pipeline. You can't break the land speed record. Here, you will not pump there. Well, you'll never make a real truck. Or compete off-road.
Sweet, got 2. Is it? Got 2 that decided to mess up on me. Got 2 because it decided to mess up on me.
When Wingstop made chicken sandwich, you know they wouldn't make just one. Now you can have 2 sauce and toss favorites like lemon pepper, mango habanero, and orange. So try the new chicken sandwich for $5.49 at Wingstop, where flavor tastes wings.
This restaurant is changing the game with Facebook, but they don't have tablecloths. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Yeah, because they broke them all down with the help of these juicy meat that they can serve anywhere. It was unfair that happened on the top. Why are you doing this to me?
The punishment doesn't fit the crime because there was no crime.
I'm saying I'm
Cooper Cup, 65-yard touchdown, longest reception of his career. There's a lot that happened on that play. Besides a great catch with one hand and his speed. And the Rams finally have a touchdown. 16 drives, final score. And as poorly as this game started for them, they've got the lead. 10-9 here.
Kids won't let me play the big machines today. I gotta play the small because I have 4, 8. I have around 11 things I need to fill, but I need to win 8 of these, and I'm gonna win right now. See how many I can win. 1, 2. I can only play quarter right now. 3. That guy's 2 quarters, so I guess I'll just play these 3. You're good. Where's the third one at? Oh, here we go. Could play the 50-cent machine, but I just want to play quarters. If it gives me a girl or boy themed toy, then I won't. Then I'll play it again. Surprised it's taken me this far to not get a bracelet. Whoa, the lights are on. And no one's home. Sweet, I got a green one. A green and a black. I like win this thing and the lights come on. I beat the level 1. Let's go to level 2. It's like Luigi's Mansion. I turned on the lights. I'll play 4 here and 4 there. I'm not done yet. This means 1 more ball. It's for Star Wars toys. I'll show you later. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That was Sears. I'm on Barnes' side now, and I don't mean Mike Barnes and Karate Kid. So 1, he's 2 quarters. So I won't play him today. Make sure there's no Friezo. 2, 50 cents. 3. So it looks like I'll be playing 3 machines and one of them twice. And then he's 250, so not 250, he's 2 quarters. Again, if it gives me something like a girl toy or a boy toy, I won't count it. And I'll put it in my vending machine. Hey, look, it's here. My hand is awkward. It looks like Terry the Pterodactyl on Pee-wee and Barney had a kid. Sweet, got a ball. Maybe I'll play this one twice. What is this? 4, 5, 6. 6 toys and no bracelet? I like getting the bracelets. Oh, look, a spider. That's so perfect for Halloween. Leaves me with 1 quarter left and you have to break. And a temporary tattoo. Sweet. Don't even know what it is, except it's a tattoo. So I checked the tattoo. It was like a monster bulldog. If the boy were to take this, it's going to be a mystery prize. It will be inside a Stormtrooper head or Batman. And if a boy took that, perfect. But if a girl did, she'd be mad at me and I'd get in trouble. So I'm going to win a ball. And I would...
Bouncy ball? Huh?
Oh, yeah. I'm filming for, like, YouTube, by the way, and all that.
Oh, dang. Hey, record us on YouTube. You want some?
What are you doing?
You want some?
You know how to just open that, huh? Unless you're the vendor. How'd you even learn that? How'd you even learn that?
They just forgot to lock it, bro.
Oh, you just noticed that?
Yeah.
When do they come in anyway? I've never seen these
Once a
machines.
month, I think.
Once a month. I've seen some machines have been serviced, but never these ones.
Yeah. I don't know, but...
I hand out prizes, that's why I'm playing anyway.
Hey, check it out. That's it. Check it out. Yeah.
I have...
This one's cool. Does it go in the dark? It doesn't, but it still
I
sits.
think if it was green, it would. Maybe.
No, there's some that go in the dark like that.
Yeah.
You do YouTube, huh?
I do, yeah.
What is that?
I hold the quarters in. I'm out now. I have more at home and I have more in my pocket.
So, YouTube? What,
Yeah.
What do you do there?
Just film myself playing vending machines, claw machines, arcade games
Oh,
around the town. And when I go on vacation, those machines
Where are
too.
you from?
Right here, Kenwood.
Where's the farthest you've been out of town for doing this?
Well, I've played in Anaheim, California, and Archville, Ohio, when we have been on family vacation, but I didn't film for it.
Okay,
So
okay.
farthest filming would have been Great Falls, Montana, maybe.
What games do you play?
Any that are like this. One's is arcade redemption, prize machines, prize redemption, claw machines, vending.
I see some people do that a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Well, good luck to you, man. Sorry
Thank
about
you. No, you're good.
Just asking.
I was just done anyway.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Good talking to you. By the way, I had to win a non-gender neutral toy, and I'll put the sticker in my machine. I'm gonna go tell that guy what my YouTube name is. Bye.